Ever wonder why good posture matters? Well, maintaining an upright and correct posture does more than just boost your image. It plays an integral role in reducing the risk of muscle strain and overuse conditions, minimizing the risk of joint discomfort and wear and tear, and promoting more efficient muscle function. Now imagine being able to improve your posture by incorporating some simple exercises into your routine. Sounds intriguing, right? First off, let's delve into the world of wall angels. This exercise targets the muscles that retract the shoulder blades, a crucial component for achieving good posture. Start by standing with your back against a wall, feet shoulder-width apart. Extend your arms to the sides, keeping them flush against the wall as you slowly move them up and down like a snow angel. Aim for 10 to 15 repetitions to get the most out of this exercise. Next, we have the bridge exercise. This move will not only work on your glutes but also strengthen your lower back muscles, essential for maintaining an upright posture. Begin by lying flat on your back, knees bent, and feet flat on the floor. Gradually lift your hips off the ground until your knees, hips, and shoulders form a straight line. Hold for a few seconds, then lower back down. Repeat this 10 to 15 times. Third on the list is the prone cobra. This exercise targets the muscles in your back and shoulders, promoting a strong, upright posture. Start by lying face down on the floor, palms down beside your shoulders. Lift your chest off the floor while keeping your hips grounded, pulling your shoulder blades together. Hold this position for 10 seconds before releasing. Repeat this for 10 to 15 reps. Finally, we have the plank. This exercise is a fantastic full-body workout that also strengthens the core muscles responsible for maintaining good posture. Position yourself in a push-up position, but rest your weight on your forearms instead of your hands. Hold this pose for as long as you can, but aim for at least 30 seconds to a minute. To summarize, improving your posture can be as simple as incorporating these 4 exercises into your routine: the wall angels, the bridge, the prone cobra, and the plank. Each of these exercises targets key muscles involved in maintaining good posture, from the muscles that retract your shoulder blades to your core and lower back muscles. Remember, consistency is key. By integrating these exercises into your regular routine, you'll be standing taller, looking more confident, and feeling better in no time. So why not give these a try? After all, a stronger back and better posture await you.